Hi, how are you? We're cooking pizza. Look at this. Oh, beautiful pizza. You see, it's smoky, it's smoky. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful pizza. Tomatoes, salami, ham, olives, banana peppers, cheese, Haverty cheese, extra cheese, beautiful cheese. We're gonna grab a little good bite, slowly, because this is amazing pizza. You see? Oh, look at this. See over there? We got a piece stuck when we'll get it. We'll get it. We're not gonna lose it. Oh yeah. See this pizza? Oh, look at this pizza. Hell, everything. Oh, put this on the table. This is beautiful pizza. We cook on low temperature and it's cooking and good. Beautiful pizza, right, baby?
Right.
You know it, baby. We're gonna cook good pizza. We've always been cooking good pizza. So now, while it's hot, I'm gonna cut. You can watch how I cut this pizza. See? This is brick oven pizza. See? Oh. Oh yeah, it's cut now. Oh yeah, we so excited. We cook good pizza. We cook the best pizza with our channel. Check out our channel. We cook non-stop. Fish, pizza, anything. We're fishing, we're hunting, we're everything. Please check it out, please. We appreciate you watching. I can't wait to eat this. This is Haverty cheese on salami, on ham, banana peppers, olives, everything. We like it, and guys, thank you for watching. May God bless you. Everybody who's watching and everybody who's not watching, may God bless you. Thank you. Take care.